Come along, come and see, farm animals waiting happily. Tommy and Lily say hello, let's meet the friends on the farm below.
This is a cow. Yeah! This is a chicken. This is a horse. Yeah! This is a sheep. This is a duck. This is a goat. This is a rooster. Cow, chicken, horse, sheep, duck, goat, rooster. Great job!
I am a cow, moo, moo, moo. Moo, 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 how do you do? I am a chicken, cluck, 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 cluck. Good luck! I am a horse, neigh, 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 running fast throughout the day. I am a sheep, ba, ba, ba. Soft and fluffy, here we are. I am a duck, quack, 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 swimming down the little track.
I am a goat, ma, ma, ma.
Jumping high, ha, ha, ha.
I am a rooster, do. Good morning, farm, how are you?
Moo, cluck, oink, and neigh, we learned farm animals today. Ba, quack, ma, and do, thanks for learning with us too. Wow, Lily, let's meet wild animals today. One by one, let's learn and play. Jungle, jungle, wild and free. Animals coming, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, you are so
big and so soft. Wow, look at that! Look at that! It's raining water! Wow, look! Hi, Mr. Tiger!
Hi, Mr. Tiger.
Look at this colorful snake sliding along. Tommy and Lily are watching safely. It uses its tongue to smell everything around it.
Wow, look at that! Wow, look at him go!
He is so silly.
We love you, monkey! Wow, look at that giant splash! Do it again, hippo! Ah! Wow!
its beautiful stripes. Let's meet our animal friends. The jungle is full of life. The jungle is full of life.
Hello jungle, come and see. Animals play so happily. Whee!
Wow, Lily! Let's explore the desert and meet amazing desert animals! Yes! Let's discover camels, foxes, lizards, and more! He is so big!
I love him!
Wow, look at him!
He's so tiny!
Wow, look! He's so fast! Wow, look at his tiny legs go! He uses his tail to balance. Wow, look at that! Hi, little snake! He's so friendly! You're doing great, Mr. Tortoise! Keep going, you're almost there! Desert tortoises are so cool! Wow, look how high it is!
I wish I could fly like that.
Goodbye, friends! Come back soon!
Down in the ocean, deep and blue, let's meet the animals just for you.
Wow, look at that! Let's explore!
Jelly, jelly, soft and bright, glowing softly in the light. Float and drift so calm and slow in the ocean's gentle flow. Little fish swim side by side. In the ocean they all glide. Shark is big but don't be scared. He keeps ocean clean and cared.
Wow, look at that!
Turtle moves so slow and free, swimming through the deep blue sea. Octopus with arms so many, dancing happy, fun and funny. Clownfish hiding, pop out fast, in the ocean safe and fast. Seahorse tiny, cute and small, drifting gently, never fall. Starfish shining on the ground, 5 bright arms all around. Crabby walks to left and right, pinchy claws but very light. There, dolphin jumps so high and free, happy friends of the sea. Otter floating on the sea, playing fun so happily. Seal is clapping, splash and slide in the ocean, full of pride. Ocean friends near and far, you are shining like a star. Thank you for learning and playing with us at AMK Tiny World. AMK Tiny Worlds.